So here's what we'll do. We'll take logs from AWS WAF and from Cloudfront. We will ingest them into the Coralogix platform using a nice integration flow, 2 or 3 clicks at most. Then we'll convert those into metrics for 2 reasons. One, metrics are great. You can hold on to them for a very long time and it doesn't cost very much money. But also, crucially, they are very, very high performance in Coralogix. So you have access here to a load of data. You can see here that we've decorated the WAF metrics with request URI, request host, and terminating rule name. And then we go over here to the Cloudfront metric that we're generating, same labels except status code on this one. And those 2 labels, URI and host, are going to enable us to correlate. So what we can do is we can generate an entirely new metric from this using recording rules. And then what we get is something a bit like this. So you'll notice there's a few spikes here and some interesting traffic. Nothing down here though. This is because these are WAF block instances. And what it looks like is WAF has blocked some traffic and that traffic has indeed stopped. And WAF has blocked some traffic and that traffic has indeed stopped. But just here, at this exact point right now, the WAF has tried to block some traffic and the traffic has continued. And this is what our recording rule does for us. Coralogix is actually tracking multiple events here. So as soon as we detect that the traffic has continued, even though it shouldn't have, Coralogix will automatically begin tracking that event. So now we have a metric that tracks traffic that shouldn't be allowed on our system. So this just shows how powerful and how flexible Coralogix is. And if you just want to add the next level to that, you can build a flow alert, which will track, for example, suspected traffic. 10 minutes later, AWS WAF blocks that traffic, but 10 minutes after that, the traffic is still present. So what can we do about that? Well, we can group by client IP. And what this allows you to do is say, if this IP address is appearing and it's marked as suspected and then WAF blocks it and it comes back again, then we know something's wrong. Tell me about it. And we can trigger anything we want from here. We can update WAF rules using downstream automation. We can send emails, Slack, PagerDuty, whatever you like. This just shows that Coralogix isn't just an observability platform. It is a full-blown analytics and high-performance security suite for making sure you stay ahead of even the most complex security outcomes.